Hi friends, welcome to my channel Civil 3D Pro Designer. We have exercise number 5 for chapter number 13, that how to apply parcel segment label styles. For editing parcel segment labels, once we have placed parcel segments label in the drawing, we usually need to do some work to change their positions, styles, orientations and whatever else is necessary to create a readable, professional looking legal documents. Fortunately, Civil 3D provides a number of ways for you to do this. For applying segment label styles, we can use parcel segment label styles to change the appearance, content and behavior of the segment label. For example, we want to label an existing property line. We could assign a different style that displays the bearing and distance, text slanted, a common practice for differentiating text that refers to existing features. In another part of the drawing, we might assign a different style to a curve label so that the appropriate combination of dimensions is shown according to local requirement. You can download this exercise, this practice drawing from the description, applying parcel segment labels. Before starting, if you are new on my YouTube channel, you can subscribe Civil 3D Pro Designer, and you can also start free Civil 3D Advanced course on my YouTube channel from chapter number 1. Let's start our exercise number 5. We will apply different parcel segment label styles to differentiate between different types of labels and to control the content that is shown for each label. When you will open, you can get this interface for this drawing where you can see many labels for different parcels. We can change them. Zoom into the bearing and distance label along the west side of the project. Currently, these labels are shown in the proposed style with both bearing and distance. Bearing and distance, you can see it is actually quadrantal bearing, and then click the label for the west side of the John. West side we have here John Smith farmhouse. Actually, you need to click on the label and then click label properties. It will open label properties. In the properties window, change line label style to span bearing and distance with crown feet existing. When you will click here, you can see here the changes. The color and text style, press escape. Color and text style of the label are changed, and the label now reflect the full length of line. You can see here we have 355.84 meters, which is the total length of this line. For example, I just want to put the length of this John Smith parcel line. What I need to do, go to Annotate tab, and then here add labels. For feature, parcels, and label type should be single segment. Then here, if you have any other, then you can select just distance existing and then click add. When you will click add, it will ask you for select point on entity. When I will click on this line, it will give me just distance for this line inside the John Smith parcel. You can see 170.19 meter length of this line. Now click the west side of the John Smith property, and we have done with that. It is the west side of the property. Now close this dialog box and press escape to clear the selection. Now select these 4 labels. I just want to change them, and then go to the label properties. In the properties window, change lines label style to distance. Here we can change them to distance, and you will see the changes in our labels. The text of each label changed to include only the distance inside of the associated parcels. So with these 2 methods you can change your parcel segments label to show the distance for total line, or if you want individual parcel segment to show the distance for each line individually, you can select different style for them. I am leaving another parcel segments to you. You can practice with all of them to master this exercise. Hope you like this video.